certainly helps if you're in a market that free agents want to go to, if you have opportunity from a financial standpoint to pay good free agents. But certainly as coaches and as former players, I want to see roster expansion. I want to see us be able to really have the opportunity to develop young players and young talent. There are a lot of players who have potential to play in our league that just don't have opportunity because there's not enough spots. And because when you're holding an 11, 12-man roster, you got to have players who can impact right away. We've seen it from an injury standpoint. We've had to go the hardship route a number of times. If you have more roster spots, then there's...
For Team USA, everything changed just a moment ago. And by everything, I mean it. Right now, fans all throughout the nation are in complete shock. The locker room is trembling. Social media is ablaze. And the same question is being asked by everyone in the basketball world. Did the most well-known player in women's basketball, Caitlyn Clark, actually leave Team USA? This is when things get even more bizarre. Did the legendary Sue Bird offer a suitable apology? We're dissecting all the rumors, the tension that has been growing behind closed doors, the officials' deafening silence, the politics that no one wants to discuss, the favoritism that supporters have been pointing out for months, and the startling new report that suggests the so-called Yukon Mafia inside Team USA may have finally gone too far. It appears that Caitlyn Clark exclaimed, "Enough is enough," at this precise time. I'm over this. Click the like button immediately before we get deeper into this whole mess, because what you're about to hear will completely alter your perception of Team USA basketball. According to insiders, there was significant tension there from the first day of training camp. A night might cut it. The most watched, adored, and talked about player on the planet at the moment, Caitlyn Clark, entered a room full of luminaries, seasoned veterans, and personalities who had already chosen how things should go. And that's precisely where it all began. Fans saw the bench turmoil right away. The so-called quiet rivalry, which wasn't loud or aggressive but was horribly, painfully obvious to everybody watching, was captured on camera. In every interaction, you could definitely sense it. According to insiders, there has been a complete change in attitude since day one. It is being referred to by fans as obvious, shameless contempt.